What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to get up to $150,000 in business credit with no personal guarantee. I'm not talking about small vendor accounts or low-limit cards. I'm talking about real high-limit credit lines that are tied to your business, not your personal file. Now, this video is for educational purposes only, and the difference between this video and the ones you've probably already seen is we're not just going to tell you what to do. We're going to tell you exactly how to do it, step by step. No fluff, no vague talk, just real game. And if you need help setting this up, or you want us to walk you through the entire process and secure the approvals for you, hit up the network on Discord. And follow us on Instagram at the network link for daily results and funding plays. All right, let's lock in. Step 1, form your LLC the right way. Go to your state's Secretary of State website and register your business. Avoid names that sound high risk. Don't call it something like Credit Repair Solutions or Crypto Strategies LLC. Stick to industries that banks actually fund. Names like Prime Operations Group or Eastline Ventures LLC sound like logistics, tech, or consulting. Lenders love that. Pick a neutral NAICS code, something like business consulting, marketing, transportation, or e-commerce. If you don't choose your NAICS code, the state will assign one, and it might be flagged as high risk without you knowing, so be intentional. When they ask for a business address, avoid using your home. If you don't have a commercial lease, go get a virtual office, not a P.O. box. It has to be a real commercial address that can receive business mail and be verified on Google. After you submit your filing and pay the fee, you'll get your certificate of formation. That's step 1. Step 2, get your EIN from the IRS. Go to irs.gov and apply for an EIN online. It's free, takes less than 10 minutes. Make sure you enter the exact same business name and address from your LLC filing, down to the commas and abbreviations. Any mismatch can hold you back later when you try to open accounts. Save your confirmation letter as a PDF. You'll need it for your bank and any lender you apply with. Step 3, set up your digital business identity. You need 3 things here: a business domain, a professional business email, and a real business phone number. For the domain, use GoDaddy or Namecheap. Search for your business name and buy the .com. Simple. For the email, don't use Gmail. Lenders take you more seriously when your email matches your domain. Use Google Workspace or Zoho to create something like info@yourbusinessname.com. It's $6 to $10 a month, and it makes a huge difference. For your phone number, don't use your cell, and do not use Google Voice or Text Free. Get a number from a VoIP provider like OpenPhone or RingCentral. They'll register it under your business and let you add a voicemail, call forwarding, and even fax if needed. Once you have your phone and email set up, we move to step 4, build your Google business profile and go to business.google.com, click Manage Now, and enter your business name. Then type your commercial or virtual office address, not your home, not a UPS box. Next, pick your category. If you're doing consulting, logistics, marketing, or coaching, pick that. Don't overthink it. Just match what your LLC says. Add your phone number, email, website, and business hours. Then Google will mail you a postcard with a verification code. Once that code arrives, usually in 5 to 10 business days, enter it to activate your listing. This gets your business on the map, literally. When someone searches your name, your business now shows up on the right-hand side of Google. Lenders will see that. It builds trust before you even submit an application. Step 5, build a real business website. You can use Wix or Squarespace if you're doing it yourself, or get it done by us inside the mentorship. Either way, your website should have 5 basic pages. Homepage with your intro, About Us page with your company story, services page listing what you offer, contact page with your phone number and email, footer with your LLC name, business address, and EIN if you want to include it. The design doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to look clean and credible. No typos, no broken links. Make it look like something a lender would be comfortable wiring $50,000 to. Step 6, open a business bank account. Walk into a major bank or trusted online business bank with your formation paperwork, IN letter, business phone, email, and address. Again, make sure everything matches. Name, spelling, address. Every detail matters. Once you're set up, keep the account active. Fund it. Circulate money. Even if it's just moving $500 around, consistency matters. Lenders look at your ending balance, not just deposits. If they see a $20,000 deposit followed by a $19,900 withdrawal, they're going to think you're broke. Try to keep at least $1,000 to $2,000 sitting in there at the end of each week, and please avoid overdrafts. Once a lender sees you can't manage $2,000, why would they trust you with $50,000? Step 7, lightly sweep your personal credit. Now, I'm not saying you need a 750 credit score to run this play, but here's the truth. Most people won't say out loud, even no PG lenders do soft pulls. And if your file is full of collections, late payments, or closed accounts, it can still disqualify you. That's why we always recommend you run a light sweep on your personal credit first. At the network, we do this for our clients. We remove inaccurate items like old collections, late payments, closed accounts with bad history, charge-offs, repos, and even evictions or student loans in some cases. We also show you how to dispute properly through the CFPB and BBB if needed, and how to avoid using the old identity theft excuse that doesn't work anymore. Once your file is clean, you're more flexible. You can PG when necessary, you look better on paper, and you'll open up more plays down the line, from loans to credit cards to phone flips. Step 8, apply for no PG business credit. We're not dropping lender names here, but when you're inside the network, you get the full list. The key is to target lenders that care about revenue and consistency, not your personal credit. These are typically fintech lenders that fund based on bank activity, working capital providers that approve fast, revenue-based credit lines, and lenders that offer invoice factoring or purchase order funding. The most important things they're looking for are time in business, even 3 to 6 months can qualify, clean digital footprint, verified business listing, consistent cash flow, no overdrafts, and structured documents. If you followed everything up to this point, you'll have all of that. So whether you're looking for a $10,000 line to build momentum or you're trying to unlock 6 figures to scale fast, this is how you do it without touching your personal credit. And if you want us to walk you through the whole process, set up your LLC, sweep your credit, build your digital presence, and apply for the funding, that's exactly what we do inside the network mentorship. We don't just talk about funding, we build the infrastructure that gets it, and we give you direct access to ask questions, get feedback, and secure the bag step by step. So if you're ready to run this play, hit us up on Discord and follow us on Instagram at the network link to see real results and updated strategies daily. This was the network, educational purposes only, and we'll see you in the next one.